Ever wondered if you could bring the power of Google right into your Brawl Stars matches? Sadly, you can't actually enter Google inside Brawl Stars like a secret character or game mode. There's no hidden code or special button combination to make it happen, but you can use Google while playing Brawl Stars. If you're looking for tips, strategies, or information about a specific brawler, minimize Brawl Stars and open the Google app on your phone or tablet. Search for what you need. For example, you could search best Mortis build if you're struggling with that brawler. Even better, use a second device, keep Brawl Stars running on your phone, and use a tablet or computer to browse Google for guides and tips simultaneously. This way you don't have to minimize the game. Another great way to get Google in Brawl Stars is to use voice chat. Jump into a call with friends and ask them questions. Someone's bound to know the best strategy for the map you're playing. So, while you can literally enter Google into the game, these are some clever ways to use Google's knowledge to level up your Brawl Stars skills and dominate the competition. Good luck, brawlers.